Hi everyone, today we're going to solve a question of directional derivative. It's an orthogonal topic question. Basically from examination point of view, it is a very important question and it is asked in examination in various universities frequently. So let's just see how this thing gonna solve. So the question states that find the constant a and b so that the surface ax square minus byz equals to a plus 2x will be orthogonal to the surface 4x square plus 4x square y plus z cube equals to 4 at point 1 minus 1 2. So basically the term orthogonal is there. So the only one thing which we have to know whenever the term orthogonal will be there, that thing is that gradient of f1 will be equals to gradient of f2. That's it. That's the only thing required to solve the whole question. Now let's see how this question will be. Now it's just a basic mathematics of gradient of f1, just like I told you in the previous video. That will be d by dx I cap plus del by del j cap plus del by del z k cap. It will be multiplied by f1. F1 is ax square minus by z. It's z minus, since we are going to put this thing in that side, in left hand side, minus sign will come and a plus 2 into x will be there. Let's just solve this question. Let's just partially differentiate this, so it will be 2ax, since it's a and a will be taken as what we called the constant, and a plus 2 bracket I cap. That is for the first one. Second, for when we partially differentiate with y, we'll get minus bz j cap. At the same time, when we partially differentiate with z, we're going to get minus by k cap. Let's just write this one more time so that we can get this thing in a very right way, or just I like to put those things in a very good manner. Now in a question it is given that the point is 1 minus 1 and 2. The point is 1 minus 1 and 2. So let's just put the values. For x we'll put 1, for y we'll put minus 1, for z we'll put 2. So for x, when we put 1, we'll get 2a minus 2 I cap. For z, when we put minus 1, we'll get plus bj. For y, when we put for z, I'm really sorry, for z, when we put 2, we'll get let me just do that. For z, when we put 2, we'll get minus 2bj. In addition to it, for y, when we put minus 1, we'll get plus bk. And just simply simplifying this, it will be a minus 2 I cap minus 2b j cap plus b k cap. So this is the value of gradient of f1. This is the value of value of gradient of f1. Alright. So now we're going to find the value of gradient of f2. It will be del by del x plus del by del y j cap plus del by del z k cap. We're going to multiply this thing with f2. F2 is another shit, which is 4x square y plus z cube, which is 4x square y plus z cube minus 4. the same thing which you do. And I know that I don't have to tell you guys how to solve this shit but still it's my job to tell you, so I'm going to tell you guys anyways. So for when we partially differentiate with x, it will be 8xy iq. When we will y, it will be 4x square j. When we will z, it will be 3z square k. And also in the question it is given the point are that 1 1 and minus 1 minus 1 and 2, so we're going to put the value of 1 minus 1, so it will be minus 8 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 3 into 2 into 4 k cap, or we'll write 12 in the next segment. It's a 12. Okay, now let's see. Okay, just write this also so that you guys don't get confused. Plus 12. So okay, so this is the value of gradient of f2. Now what we want to do is, as I mentioned earlier, since it's a orthogonal thing, for ortho thing we're going to do gradient of f1 dot gradient of f2 is equals to 0. So the value of gradient of f1, which we solved earlier, was a minus 2 I cap minus 2b j cap plus b k cap. At the same time, value of for gradient of f2 was that, which even I simplified, very basic simplification for you guys, so you guys should give a thumbs up for that. That was minus 4j cap plus 12 plus 12 k cap. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm going to change the color because all I just change the pencil or something, yeah, so it will be a little bit more fun to see. Okay, now we're going to multiply this thing, I with I, j with j, k with k, so it will be minus 8 into a minus 2 minus 4 2s are 8 b plus 12b is equals to 0. On solving, minus 8a plus 8 to 16 plus 4b is equals to 0. So that when we divide all those shits with 8, we'll get minus a plus 2, or let's just divide this shits with 4. Yeah, let's just divide this with 4. So when we divide this with 4, we're going to get 2a plus 4 plus b is equals to 0, and this thing can be written as b minus 2a is equals to minus 4. And one thing which we have to see from the question is that the value of x, y, z is given. We have to find the value of a, b, and here is a term where a and b and all those things are there. So what we are going to do now is we are going to just put the value of x, y, z, z here, and we're going to get a value of one of the digit. So let's just put here only. Let's put for x square it's 1, for 1 square let's do 1 square, for b y is minus 1 and z is 2, so it's plus 1, and for z it is 2, so it is 2. A plus b and a plus 2 into 1. Okay, so let's just do it. A plus 2b equals to a plus 2. This will be cancelled out and the value of b will be 1. So the value of b, which is 1, which is our answer. Now we have to find the value of a. So for value of a, so it's the simplest shit you guys can do in your lifetime, man. Value of a, let's just put the value of b first. 1 minus 2a equals to minus 4. Let's just do that. Equals to minus 4 minus 1, so 2a will be minus 5 minus this minus 5. Okay, now a will be 5 by 2, and the value of b which we had was 1. So that is the way how we are going to solve these questions, and this is a very easy question. I know you guys understood it very well, and do let me know in the comment section below if your answer is same or not. If not same, let me know the right answer, so that I can also get some more intelligent than me. Okay. So basically only one thing which we have to remember for solving this kind of question: whenever the term orthogonal will be, you have to know the gradient of f1 will be the equal to the gradient of f2. You have to just solve this, and the rest you will understand by yourself. Just put the value and you will understand by yourself. So that was the thing. I hope you like this, and I just like I told in your every video, do share with all your friends who are doing any technical course or who wants to just learn and have fun with the gradient thing. So thank you so much.